Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is to answer a few questions. People that have questions about the Microsoft Edge new browser, which is Chromium based, and we'll answer the questions that I've been receiving. So first of all, some of you have noticed that you download it and it's in the wrong language. Microsoft knows that there's a problem with that. Apparently they're working on a fix, so try it again, maybe today or tomorrow. It doesn't happen to a lot of people, but some people did get a Spanish page. Some got it in another language. It seems that it happens for some reason. And so just try it again. Of course, I'll post a link to the Edge download page once again here in this video. So if you want to try it out. Question number 1. If I try it, do I lose my Google Chrome browser? No. You can try Edge and keep Google Chrome both on your computer. They are separate browsers. It's like installing a different program. You know, you can install Firefox, Opera, and Chrome all together. The 3 separate browsers that you have access to. The same thing for Microsoft Edge, Chromium-based browser. You can install it, you can try it, and there you can, of course, keep Google Chrome. You know, no harm. You try it. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. You can uninstall it. And that's question number 2. The original Edge could not be uninstalled. If I install this, will I be stuck with it and not able to uninstall it? No, they actually have an uninstall button on the Edge, the new Edge browser. So if you install it, you'll be able to uninstall it if you wish. No problem there. So that is question number 2. Question number 3. Why should I install this or try this or use this rather than Google Chrome? Because it's a different browser and it doesn't work in the same way totally. It might be based on Chromium, which is the same open source base of Google Chrome. Each browser that uses this Chromium engine can be customized by the company that actually makes it. And so this one is customized more for Microsoft and has different settings, including the tracking prevention settings that are not existent in Google Chrome. So this means the browser is different. And maybe you can try it and see how it is. Another question people have is that, of course, you heard me mention that it was unfinished. It is working and it works great, but it's not complete. There are some settings that are missing. There's some features that are missing, like the collections feature, for example, isn't there yet. And that will actually come through the next updates. So that's the browser updates that will apparently have every 6 weeks. A lot of you have been saying, yeah, but if I download it now and install it, well, I will need to install the next version and download it manually again. No, once you have it, it updates by itself. So once it's there, you will actually have it update from time to time. So the new features will actually be automatically installed when you actually use the browser. So you don't need to re-download it for some reason afterwards. It's installed, and it will update itself as time goes by. The other features or questions that people have is, will it import my add-ons that I had in Microsoft Edge? No, you will have to reinstall the add-ons you had in the original Edge. Right now, it works, and it's supposed to work with all the Google add-ons. So if you had some Google Chrome add-ons, you can go to the Google Chrome store and have these extensions or add-ons added to the browser. But you'll have to do it. They're not going to be imported from the other browser. It doesn't work like that. So that's another question. It syncs between computers. So if you had your capabilities, your syncing capabilities on with a Microsoft account, you'll see all of the bookmarks from the original Edge appear here. One word of caution: if for some reason the original Edge is something important for you, once you install this, the original Edge is deprecated. You can't access it anymore. Its engines are still there because there's a need for that for some apps, but the browser itself will be gone and replaced with the new Edge Chromium browser. And so these are some of the questions that we've been actually having. And of course, if any new questions arise, we'll try to talk about this new browser and answer more questions as time goes by. So Microsoft Edge, and the link to download this new Edge browser is in the description below the video if you want to manually download it. If you don't download it manually, it will be sent to you via Windows Update in the coming weeks. So at some point you will have it anyways if you don't download it now on your PC. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.